getting dirty. And we're gonna let this thing circulate. We ain't gotta do nothing.
So you're gonna circulate and percolate.
Man, yeah.
Yes, sir.
See, they mud bugs now.
YouTube, it's your man Swamper. Yes, we are back. I got Grizz in the house. Y'all see what's behind me, this LoCo cooker. Man, I know it's been a long time. It's been a while, but we are back with a vengeance, y'all. Life has lifed for us. Life keeps right on lifing, but guess what? We're going to still do what we got to do. Y'all hang in there. I appreciate y'all loyal subscribers. We are back with our first crawfish boil of the year. I got my man Grizz back behind the boiler, and we got some beautiful crawfish, you all, from Gulf Runner Seafood. So Jake at Gulf Runner Seafood got me going on, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all something. We about to throw down. Y'all stay tuned. We got a crawfish washer. We're gonna get these crawfish clean, and we're gonna show y'all how we do. Y'all see that pure?
You gotta show the new attachment.
Okay, the new attachment, y'all. Check this out. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's made for the crawfish washer. It fits right down in there, as y'all can see. So it does not mess up the jets. But what's beautiful is if you have more than one sack of crawfish, you don't have to wait till the water goes out. You can pull that sack of crawfish, let them drain like that, then dump them in your cooker and start all over again. So it's a beautiful thing, you all. Y'all stay tuned as we do what we do. What we got going on there, man?
Yeah, first, these crawfish, you gotta get them nice and clean. We're gonna dump these crawfish in there. And you see that water already getting dirty. And we're gonna let this thing circulate. We ain't gotta do nothing.
So you're gonna circulate and percolate.
Man, yeah.
Yes, sir.
See, they mud bugs now. So that's a nice one there, but yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Old Gulf Runner Seafood take care of us, but that's a nice one there.
They don't miss.
Time to light this LoCo. Y'all know good and well. LoCo ambassador. Love LoCo. Nothing like LoCo. Cookers. Y'all see it for yourself. We're gonna light this thing for the first time to see y'all see dope on. Can't stay there too long because it's hot. But it's ready to go. It's gonna get this water right in a little while. Wonderful shoot. You don't have to open it up. You can just put your potatoes in there. Get ready to boil. Green onion, scallion, aromatics going in.
Some people squeeze, some people don't. I'm just showing you how it's done. You don't have to. I just like to do it sometimes. I'm about to squeeze out of these.
This is called seasoning your water. You gotta season your water.
When we come back and try something new that we ain't never tried, that cocaine, that ain't been stepped on.
Ain't been stepped on.
Come on now.
Straight.
Here.
Here. Oh yeah, we getting it right, y'all. There's gonna be some pure goodness here shortly.
Alright, we're gonna come back to the rest of our dry ingredients. We got some of that boil booster. Get one of them in there.
I get it off up in there?
Off up in there, as they say down here in Texas. Come with zesty citrus. It's in the Cajun Man box with Cajun Man container. But it's got a little some of everything. It got some Cajun Man, got some Satiran, got some protocol, got some Louisiana, got some a little smorgasbord.
That's that special recipe.
Yeah, that's that splat. Then we'll come back. Some of the secret sauce.
Come on now.
That chicken bouillon.
Not that chicken bouillon.
Yes, sir.
guess what? They can't help but be good.
Got to. Last two for that extra pop. Get a little lemon juice in there.
The whole bottle?
Go about half because we already got some
citrus
in there.
Gotcha.
Then we go a little Tampico.
Tampico, not that Tampico.
$1.99, man. Then another thing I like about this cookie too, man, it's LoCo, in case you ain't know. So I'm trying to tell you, man, they brand everything. Make sure you know what you got going on, and they make this paddle, so it's easy to stir around. And they make it so it just goes and flows through the letters. It's, solid paddle don't get that flow through. Right. But that LoCo got that flow through. If you turn that thing around when you stir again, just like that, and you'll see how it just flows through. Oh man, I've been down into that loop once or twice, and when they get to looking like this, I think they'll say something like, "Oh yeah, babe." Yeah. Time to add a little meat to the pot. Yes, sir. About this time. Oh yeah. Take them about 4 minutes max.
You try to turn them bright red, bright orange.
Bright red. Come to the rolling boil. We're gonna cut it off. Add our corn and our shrimp and our special ice and let them soak. And then it's time to eat, man.
Oh, I got some corn and some shrimping in there. So, just so the audience to know, are the crawfish done?
Yes, they are.
So what's going on now?
Right now, we put our corn and shrimp in there because it don't take so long for it to cook. And then we're gonna add our ice so we can start our cooking process. And it'll stop the cooking process on everything in this pot. It's gonna allow these crawfish and the shrimp to soak in some more of their flavor and get all that juice in their head like everybody likes. Then we'll be ready to eat in probably about 20 minutes.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Should have recorded.
Okay. Now we got our corn and shrimp in it. We're gonna add some ice. Again, to stop the cooking process. Y'all will see that these crawfish they'll stop floating and they'll start sinking. They get cold and they start to suck in that juice, all that flavor. As you see how now all of them ain't floating on the top. They start sinking down. They cooling down. But they still gonna be hot. It's a lot of water, y'all. We're not diluting it. We're not doing none of that. It's just stopping that cooking process. And now, so they can sit here and soak, absorb that flavor, and still stay warm. And we're gonna put them in that cooler. Ooh. And they're gonna be ready to eat. This is a dual purpose shoot. As you see over here, we got our cooler. So now, when you finish cooking, when you finish your soaking, you pull this over. Make sure your cooler is under there. And then you can lift. Drain that water off.
Table is ready, y'all. We ready to put some crawfish on the table. That's a beautiful, beautiful batch crawfish. Ready to go. Promise, this is Swamp again. It's time to eat. Y'all see what's going on the table. We're not gonna waste no time. Thank y'all for joining us. This is how we do our crawfish. Now it's time to say grace and stuff our face. This is Featherston Family Outdoors. Y'all take care of yours.